Introducing US Art Supply's 12-color secondary opaque airbrush paint set. Our paint comes ready to spray and is a professional-grade, water-based acrylic. Our secondary opaque paint set comes with 12 colors and also includes airbrush cleaner and reducer. Our vibrant acrylic airbrush colors are designed for permanent results on most mixed media and textile surfaces. Use our airbrush paints on paper, canvas, wood, fabric, leather, plastics, metals, ceramic, and more. Our ready-to-spray airbrush paint is available in a wide range of colors and effects. Upgrade your projects with US Art Supply. Thanks for checking out US Art Supply. Check out more videos and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest products.